Welcome back to Advanced Skills Learning. Throughout this playlist, we've explored retrieval, embeddings, agents, latency, evaluation, and system failures. Now let's step back and look forward. The future of Gen AI is not about bigger models alone. It's about how we design intelligent systems around them. The real evolution is architectural. In the early days, Gen AI meant prompting a large model and getting a response. That worked for demos, but production systems quickly revealed limits, hallucinations, latency, cost spikes, and unpredictability. So the industry shifted. We stopped building prompt experiments and started building systems. The first major shift is structured retrieval. Vector search alone is not enough. Systems now combine vector search with keyword indexing, metadata filtering, and even knowledge graphs. Instead of asking, what is similar? We now ask, what is relevant, authoritative, and allowed? Retrieval is becoming more selective, more contextual, and more explainable. That grounding layer will define trustworthy AI systems. Quick check, 2 seconds. What reduces hallucinations most reliably? A. Bigger models. B. Better prompting. C. Grounded retrieval. Keep your guess. The answer is C. Grounded retrieval. Bigger models can still hallucinate. Better prompts help, but grounding controls reality. The second evolution is agents, but not as hype suggests. Agents are not just smarter chatbots. They are workflow engines. They plan, call tools, store intermediate results, and execute multi-step tasks. This makes systems more capable, but also more complex. When an agent loops through tools, every step must be validated, budgeted, and monitored. Without guardrails, agents amplify errors and cost. That's why guardrails are becoming architectural components, not optional add-ons. Budget controls prevent runaway loops. Validators check outputs before execution. Policy layers restrict tool access. In the future, agent systems will look less like improvisation and more like controlled orchestration. The third shift is observability. Enterprises have learned a painful lesson. You cannot fix what you cannot see. Future Gen AI systems will trace retrieval results, log model inputs, capture intermediate reasoning steps, and measure grounding quality. Observability transforms AI from magic into measurable infrastructure. It allows debugging, auditing, and continuous improvement. Quick check, 2 seconds. What will matter most in enterprise Gen AI? A. Model benchmarks. B. GPU speed. C. System reliability. Keep your guess. The answer is C. System reliability. Benchmarks look impressive, and GPUs enable scale, but reliability determines trust and adoption. Another clear trend is model routing. Not every query needs the largest model. Smaller, task-specific models can handle classification, summarization, or structured extraction at a fraction of the cost. Smart systems route complex reasoning tasks to larger models and simple tasks to smaller ones. This layered intelligence dramatically improves cost efficiency and performance. We're also seeing rapid growth in multimodal and multi-agent systems. Text, images, audio, and structured data are being processed together. Multiple agents collaborate, each specialized for a specific function. But orchestration becomes the challenge. Shared memory, consistent state, and controlled execution will separate stable systems from chaotic ones. Governance is no longer a compliance checkbox, it is architecture. Access control, data boundaries, encryption layers, and policy enforcement must wrap around the model. In the future, the model will be the smallest visible component in a much larger governed system. So what is the real shift? It's this. Gen AI is moving from prompts to pipelines. From demos to production, from impressive intelligence to engineered reliability. The winning systems will not be those with the biggest models, but those with the strongest retrieval layers, smartest routing logic, safest agent controls, and clearest observability. The future of Gen AI is not about replacing architecture. It is about elevating architecture. The intelligence is powerful, but the system design determines whether that intelligence becomes useful, safe, scalable, and trusted. Key takeaways. First, the future of Gen AI is architectural. Retrieval, routing, agents, guardrails, and observability are becoming core layers. Second, grounded systems outperform bigger models. Reliability beats raw capability in enterprise environments. Third, production Gen AI will look more like distributed systems engineering than prompt crafting. Architects and system designers will shape the next phase more than prompt engineers. And finally, the systems that win will balance intelligence with control, capability with cost awareness, and automation with governance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, like the video and subscribe to Advanced Skills Learning for more GenAI explainers, practical architectures, and quick quizzes to test your understanding.